What's up, guys? We're in the lab today and we are installing a set of Apex auto links. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so again, today we are installing the Apex auto links. They are a sway bar, adjustable sway bar setup. It's new to the market. A buddy of ours, Dwight, went ahead and just got them recently, so he brought them by for us to install and do a little video for everybody, show you a little bit about them. But let's get started. All right, so once you get them out, you got your measurements of your old sway bar. They got these little snap rings. You just undo them, move them up to the desired length. Once you've got that, you can slide it back. This guy comes already screwed in. So you're gonna go ahead and pull it out, and then you're gonna use the Loctite that they've provided. Go ahead and put your Loctite on there, and then you'll screw it back in. Then you have a second ring. Once this is all the way in, we're gonna move that one in closer to lock this in place. All right, so pretty simple install, guys. You're gonna use the factory hardware down at the bottom, and then it's gonna come with a washer and nut for the backside. Again, you're gonna measure out those lengths and where you want it to sit. They've got snap rings high and low. You'll put that Loctite on there, and then you'll be able to set it. You've got the lock here on the top. Just spin it. You can see where it's red. Lock it back down. Pretty simple install though. If you do already have a set of disconnects, make sure you still have that factory hardware somewhere or get it from a store because the aftermarket stuff's not gonna work there. But so overall, guys, pretty simple install. Again, you're just using the factory bolts to give you the hardware for the top of it. You will need a torque wrench to go ahead and tighten down the part that you put the Loctite on to 20 pounds, foot-pounds, so make sure you have that. But simple install. We're gonna test it actually out on the trails coming up at a big event here at the end of February. So we'll give you guys some feedback on how it actually functions when we put it to the test. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got any questions or anything else you guys want to see videos about, put it in the comment section. We'll do our best to get to you. See ya.